If you're a marketer that works with SEO or PPC ads or any other aspect of search, or if you're a business owner that heavily relies on search for new business and you're not staying on top of how AI is impacting search, you're making a huge mistake. OpenAI's latest Search GPT update that I did a video on a couple weeks ago added a lot of impressive features to ChatGPT. However, one of the features of this update that I didn't mention in that previous video is the new ChatGPT Chrome extension. Now, if this isn't a sign that AI is the future of search, I don't know what is. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you how to add the Chrome extension and show you how to use it and talk about what it does. So to get started, you'll just want to go to whatever browser you use and just search ChatGPT Chrome extension. When you're there, you can either go straight to the Chrome Web Store. You could also just go straight to the Chrome Web Store and search the same thing. Or you can click on OpenAI's Introducing ChatGPT search page, which is what I like to do because then you can see any additional information about this new update. But to get to the Chrome extension, right at the top here, you'll see the download Chrome extension option. And when you click this, it's just going to jump you over to the Chrome Web Store. So this is what it looks like. You can see it's got 578 ratings as of this video, 700,000 users, and there's a little bit of an overview of what it does. But we're just going to add it, and then I'll walk you through how it works. So you're just going to hit Add Chrome Extension, Add Extension, and then we are good to go. So what does it do? Now, this is the really cool part, and I think this is really interesting on OpenAI's part of that first step of how AI is going to impact search, is that when I search something now in whatever browser I use that I have this enabled on, which I use Google Chrome. So anytime I search something on Google Chrome, it's no longer going to bring up, the Google SERPs page, search engine results page. It's going to take me straight into a ChatGPT chat room with my question as the first message. So let's jump into that. So if I go to search something new in my browser, I like using this example in my videos. I'm a huge Oregon Ducks fan, so let's look at college football scores from this week. So if I just type in college I can't spell, it's okay though, college football scores. So when I hit enter, normally this would take me to a SERPs page from Google, and it would give me all the listed websites of different articles and updates of scores. Now when I hit enter, watch what happens. So as you can see, it jumps me straight to a ChatGPT chat room, and it's going to list out all of the scores from this week's games. It's also going to provide me with some links to websites. Again, that was another update with the Search GPT update. And then it's also going to give me some citation or some sources here where I can click to a variety of different articles. So that's essentially what the ChatGPT Chrome extension does. It cuts out the middleman of whatever browser you use, whether it's Google or Bing or anything that you use, and it basically allows you to search the internet straight from a ChatGPT chat room. So anything you search in your browser search bar, it's going to go straight into ChatGPT. There's no more SERPs pages where it ranks articles. Obviously, you can see how this impacts Google ads and SEO work, because you're not even seeing the ranked articles. You're not even seeing any paid ads in Google if you're not looking at a Google SERPs page. So this is a huge step forward in where search is going, I think. And again, if you're a marketer or a business owner, I think it's super important to stay on top of this stuff, because if you're churning out SEO content or you're working on a really in-depth Google ad strategy, while the vast majority of people that's still going to work for in terms of target market or audience, moving forward, more and more people are going to start adopting these AI tools in their search, and it's definitely going to disrupt how marketers and business owners get new business through search. AI is coming for search. Stay informed, start strategizing. And if you didn't check out my last video about the game-changing feature in Canva, you can check that out here. Thanks for watching.